You want to tell us what what we're doing today?
I don't know what we're doing today. I missed a nut on the to hold the tail boom. Actually, two of them. There's 2 screws on there already, and then there's 2 more bolts that go on there. No, I just had a feeling I better take a look at it. And sure as shit.
Bolts missing everywhere.
This is electronic speed control, and one of the solder joints came off, so we're going to solder it on real good. Do anything with it?
Is that thread locked? Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yep.
Positive?
Yeah. If you
Okay.
want to turn it with the wrench, you can.
No, I just want to make sure that that's be a bad one if it comes loose.
Yeah, that's what Dan was telling me.
Somebody do a very good job of soldering on his Dean's connector.
Or somebody's really rough.
Yeah, just taking all the gas out so it doesn't, this fuel line can get damaged by the fuel and the exhaust gases and things like that. So try to suck it all out.
30 degrees, that's just what I want to see there. So once that's installed, blades are done, now we'll put the tail blades on. Videos on the T-Rex 500, and we're now ready to give this thing a try. I've gone through, I've looked into everything, and everything seems to be secure.